Hey, what is up people, welcome back to the channel. So today in this video I'm gonna talk about NIO stock. NIO will report its Q4 and full 2020 earnings tomorrow when the market closes. The stock is down more than 27% since hitting $62 around 10th of February. I think the stock dipped as low as $41 last week, and that's when I bought 10 shares of NIO. I know that is not a big amount, but all I'm doing is dollar cost averaging. I'm bringing down the average buying price for this stock. So the last week has been very tough in the stock market. Many people lost millions of dollars. I lost my 50% of the profit, but I'm happy because I've invested in growth stocks and I should know the risk of investing in growth stocks. If I can accept 100% green, then I should embrace 50% red, and that's what's happening right now. For those of you who have panicked and sold their positions, then probably stock market is not the right place for you. We all know that time in the market is way bigger than timing the market, because Mr. Market is unpredictable. Nobody can predict the future in the stock market. And let's not forget the better side of the market correction. As the stock price goes lower and lower, the risk also goes lower. So bigger the best, bigger the chance of breakout. But I'm not saying that NIO stock will break out after dipping so much, but the chances is higher than before. Alright people, if you are new to the channel, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Hit the red subscribe button right now, and a quick thumbs up will be appreciated. If you want to get free share using Trading 212, the link is down in the description. Make sure you follow the link and deposit at least £1 so that we both get one free share each worth up to £100. NIO delivered more than 17,000 vehicles in the fourth quarter of 2020. The expected revenue for the quarter is just over $1 billion, and the expected EPS for the quarter is minus 7 cents per share. If NIO beats the expectation, then there is a high possibility that the stock will break out. However, due to the current situation in the stock market, that might not come true even if they beat the expectation. As we seen with the case of Li Auto, they reported last week and the report was absolutely massive. They even made over 16 million in profit, which was a massive surprise. Nobody expected that Li Auto will make profit that soon, but still their stock price tumbled down. That's mostly because of the sell-off in the market. So if the Mr. Market is not happy, no matter how big news you bring, you'll end up in red. I think this is a big reminder for the people, especially for the new investor in the market, that the stock will not always go up. There will be a times of correction, and don't try to time the market. NIO is definitely a big winner in the long run. So right now the stock is definitely bargain. It's oversold. You can see the RSI level is down to 33. It is nearly touching the oversold level, which is 30. If you are buying the NIO stock today thinking that the stock will go on green next week because the stock has corrected too much, then you are definitely wrong. Do not try to time the market. Think for long run, and like I said, in the long run this stock is a big winner. I personally consider 3 years, and in the next 3 years I can see there is a massive return from this company. The company's next generation battery swapping stations will be active from April, which is just a month away from now, which will provide more than 300 battery swap per day, and that is 3 times more than the previous generation. And there is a big speculation about NIO and Sinopec working together. Sinopec is the second largest gas provider in the country, which has more than 30,000 gas stations. So these all comes after the chairman of Sinopec visited one of the NIO's battery swap location, where he spoke to few NIO owners, and it is also reported that the president of NIO explained how the battery swap stations work. Right, so I'm a long NIO bull and I'm going for a marathon, not for a sprint. Right, so the last thing I want to say is, if you don't feel comfortable buying these stocks, then probably you should not sell your stocks. You don't lose anything until you sell your position. You have same amount of shares as you had before, alright? So you have same amount of ownership in the company as before. That being said, these are just my personal opinion. Make sure you do your own research before you invest. If you are still with me, thank you very much for watching my video till the very end. Make sure you don't forget to subscribe to the channel. That helps me grow this channel. And invest safely everyone. See you in the next video.